On, look. Unbelievable. I gotta take a picture of that.
What's in the AA shirt?
American Airlines shirt.
Oh.
Somebody put American Airlines shirt on it. I'm supposed to get a picture of that one.
Royal? Oh.
Oh, look at this one right there.
He didn't make any noise yet. It's the one in this one or the other one? I don't even see him now. Wow. I'm recording him. Right?
How they move, it's almost like they ain't got no bones.
I know, right? And it looks like they just don't have to look at any, like they just grab and keep going through all the branches and stuff.
Is it over here? Yeah, it's over here.
That one, right?
He was running across the tower like he was like this.
Really?
Yeah.
This is amazing. Oh my gosh. No, they want us to give them money to do that. They want us to give them money to do that. I'm recording these for you.
What's up, buddy?
That's the one that was howling. That one.
The black one?
Yeah, that's what Mike said.
Huh?
That's what Mike said. He said it was the black one. Oh, they're going through that little hole. Now he's all quiet.
I guess he gets tired. Yeah. Hey, my friend. Can you make some more noise, my friend? Yeah.
He looked at you. He looked at you. He looked back at you. About 4 of them in there. How many you think are in there, Dominant? Two? There's some more on the other side also.
Same one.
How did that noise sound that he was doing? Okay, you want to go see the orangutan? Okay, let's go. He has on a shirt. Come on, sit down. Get off the gate. Sit down. Okay. Slowly.
I already looked at that.
Well, I didn't. I want to record it. Dominance. This way, so Royal can see.
I just found I don't see
This one's eating celery. See?
Look.
How big his face is. He's eating a salad.
Yes.
That's nice. I think that one looks like a girl. That one might be a girl. Look, there's another one up there. See it up there moving?
I want this one to move. I want this one to match up. Look how big he is, too, Sean.
Yeah.
That one is just a baby.
With the one next to him?
Watch your kids. Where's that?
Royal. Pick up
Look
the
how bad
paper,
he is. Look,
Dominic.
look, look.
Royal.
I got him.
I know, but if they're trying to take pictures, are they trying to take a picture?
They're trying to take a picture.
No, but he's just getting away.
Stop.
Run away. Run away.
Let's get him together. Royal! Royal! Royal!
Oh, you touched his face? You weren't scared? Great, bro.
Did we get ours yet, Freddie? Did we get our card? Royal.
You want to hold this? Grandpa loves holding it.
We gotta take us down to the bathroom. Sorry, let's go to the bathroom.
Come on, Royal. Huh?
Hey, Choco!
Good, I know. Oh, I love your teeth. Let me see your smile. Smile again. No, smile again. You're a good girl.
Here? Got the big one right there. Look.
He has a shirt on.
She does have a shirt on. She works for American Airlines. Did you know that?
Look at the big face. Look at the big face. Look at the big one up there. See it?
They love vegetables. Oh, wow. They do too.
Ese tiró una foto perfectamente bien. Amarilla esa grande.
Oh, see.
You see him?
Oh, that's a huge one with a huge head.
With a huge head.
Jillian, can you call Royal? Who's right there?
Mía, ¿qué pasa, mamá? What?
No. It's a monkey. Not a dog. It's a monkey. It's a monkey.
The picture with the snake. I saw you.
It's a monkey. Monkey. It's a monkey. Say bien. Say bien.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
What? You see this thing that does
You need to sub, right? After you drop yours, I'll pick it up.
What? Oh, you can't have my hot dog.
You just got to sub.
You can't have my hot dog.
Yeah.
Thank you. Right.
It didn't say bye.
Wow, is he really taking a fish right now?